Hey, Fantastic Ford family. Today I'm at Compare Foods trying to get some Jamaican stuff, and I also placed an order online at a grocery store, so I have that order to pick up. Stay tuned to the end of this video to see what they gave me in my grocery. Went to Compare Foods, just showing you a variety of stuff that they have. This is just basically the only place where I live that sell Jamaican stuff. So I've seen a lot of videos with people in like Maryland getting other food stuff, but this is what we have, and I think it's kind of enough for us for now until we go back to Jamaica. So right here you can see where they have the Jamaican sausage. This one does not have chili on it. I've purchased it before and it's the same American sausage in there. That's a no for me. Not buying that, not wasting money on that. Right here we have the ground produce. You can get your plantain, your banana, pumpkin, yam, whatever you want. Sweet potato. I took up a few sweet potato, hot pepper. So here we have saltfish. I always purchase this brand. I think it's boneless saltfish, but it tastes really good. Here we have some red herring. There's salt mackerel and people. It's almost $10 for the red herring and $10 for the salt mackerel. Okra, because I want to eat like some saltfish and okra, or some red herring with okra. Now I'm moving over to the meat section, and if you know, you know, there is chicken back in Compare. So we can have chicken back and ackee. Chicken back in my Caesar rice, brown stew chicken back, curry chicken back, whatever it is, you name it. I love my chicken back, or should I say the back of the chicken. I also picked up goat meat. Yeah, get some curry goat, pig's tail to make my stew peas or my pea soup. I'm going to get some soda. Nothing like the Great D&G soda. Ting is my favorite. Nothing beat that grapefruit flavor. I've been trying to find something up here that's close to it. I've been looking for Schweppes. I think Schweppes, yeah, we have Schweppes in Jamaica with grapefruit flavor. Can't find it here. Also there's Tropical Rhythm. I really like the sorrel flavor, but it was quite reasonable, so I picked up my sorrel. So this last video was not from Compare Foods. This was my pickup. You can't believe this is what the people put in my bag for my corn. Now tell me, when if I come down now. If you have a Compare store near you, you can always check them out to get some Jamaican stuff. Bye.